Omukoro gwatandika na Minisita Anifa Kaboya ari kwigura gate y'irwariro eri omu Butongore na bwanyuma niko kurambuzibwa aha biriyo nibikorwa omu irwariro eri ebirimu kwombeka emergency call center.
And the X-ray tube here.
Let's go back to the people. Let's be doctors of that people. You find people they have HIV, TB, Friday, but they are going to the communities. Then you find them, they are working at another facility or a nursing school.
We haven't seen any significant change in the attitude of your health workers, in the services, in the absenteeism, in whatever. People are hammering us there, by the way. When you go to Parliament, they don't want even to talk to you. You ask for more money, they don't want even to listen to you. The other day, Mzee gave you money. What have you shown for that money?
So we can say we make the diagnosis late. They have been in the community, they come when they are very sick. So what does that mean? It means that we are making the diagnosis late, and if they've been in the community, chances are they have spread the TB to other people.
Minisita hona yajumirira ibikorwa by'abashaho abarukosha aha mirimo n'abarukora bingwatire ki.
Muderi mu bantu, musomesa abantu, create awareness. Murabe nti abantu bategeera nti waliwo endwadde zezisobola okuziyiza nga zikyaliwa wansi eyo obwavu.
There is over 96,000 patients who walk into the hospital through different service delivery points are subjected to TB symptom screening. Of these, over 22,000 are presumed to have TB and are subjected to TB diagnostic tests.
TB is not a severe disease unless it's about blood vessel TB, where we have given you the capacity to admit and the districts don't have. But if someone has susceptible TB, what we call simple TB, the management should be done from within the districts.
Okutwariza hamwe oburwire bw'akakonko omu kyanga kya Ankole bukyendire okurigerera aha barwire omutwaro gumwe abarikuza kukyebeza omu marwariro g'omu kyanga eki abantu 5 nibo barikushangwa n'obubonero bw'endwara egi. Gashakwa era akiza.